In this video, you will learn how to transfer money to Walmart MoneyCard. First, direct deposit. Setting up a direct deposit with your employer or government benefits you have to the paycheck or other deposits automatically loads onto your Walmart MoneyCard. This is convenient and a free way to fund your account. Next, you can transfer money from your linked bank account to a Walmart MoneyCard. Log into your Walmart MoneyCard account, then navigate to the Add Funds section. Here you can select Transfer from a bank. Follow the prompts to complete the transfer. You can reload at Walmart locations. If you visit your local Walmart store and use the MoneyPack service to load funds onto your Walmart MoneyCard, there may be a fee for this service depending on the amount you load. Reload at NetSpeed Reload Work locations. You can use NetSpeed Reload network locations to add funds to your Walmart MoneyCard. These locations can be found at various convenience stores and retail locations. Transfer from PayPal account. If you have a PayPal account, you can link that PayPal account to the Walmart MoneyCard and use it to transfer money from your PayPal balance to your Walmart card. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.